Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this device. You need to start by locating an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Allow or Don't Allow in Notifications pop-up. Now click on Browse at the bottom in the middle and click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloads are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!